Ceramic nonstick is sold on the promise of healthy, eco-friendly cooking. But the reality is often a pan that stops sliding after just a few months. At Wade Media Labs, we wanted to know why the eco-friendly label often means short-term performance. We decided to run a standard slide life audit on 20 leading pans. We didn't just cook eggs. We subjected both ceramic and non-stick pans to a standardized, continuous friction marathon inside our workshop, measuring surface tension and coating degradation over thousands of sliding cycles. The results were conclusive and consistent with our previous coating audits. Ceramic coatings consistently fail our durability tests 3 times faster than standard PTFE nonstick. It comes down to material science. Ceramic coatings use a brittle sol gel silica matrix, which is highly prone to microcracking and eventual flaking under the dynamic stress of daily use. Standard nonstick uses a more flexible PTFE polymer that can withstand more mechanical deformation before failure. Our high magnification photos expose how sol gel coatings break down into fine particles. Only 2 ceramic models completed the marathon with their slide life integrity partially verified. These winners represent the best performance in a category that, overall, prioritize health claims over long-term durability. If you are buying ceramic, don't just buy the marketing. Performance is about physics and engineering, not just eco-labels. See the full failure logs, the microscopic wear photos, and our ceramic survivors at cookwarescout.com. Look for the slide life audit. I've had to make a few guesses here. Feel free to tell me what to change.